Hey my angels, so welcome back to my channel. Hi, I'm Evelyn. I'm one of the beauty influencer on YouTube. I do makeup videos, hair videos, beauty reviews, product reviews, all that jazz for you guys. So in today's video I'm going to show you how I curl my hair without using any heat at all, without using any colors, nothing at all. It's just totally heatless curls. It's very easy, it's very simple, it's literally anyone can do it. It's not a major time consuming thing. You pretty much will be doing curling while sleeping. How easy this sounds. So before we get into the actual video, if you're new to my channel, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the notification bell, so every time I'll post a video you will get a notification. And if you're already subscribed to my channel but haven't clicked the notification bell, please do, because if you don't, you won't know when I'm posting new videos. Please do click the notification bell so you won't miss out on the new content. And if you like this video, don't forget to give me a thumbs up, and if you have any questions you can always leave them in the comment section below. Everything I'm going to do today will be mentioned in the description box. I am hardly using any products at all, but what I used when I wash my hair I'll write down in the description box below. And let's just get into the video now. I've already washed my hair, and I like to towel dry my hair more. So I like to make sure all the my hair are not literally wet or damp. I like to do a lot of towel dry first. I have my hair has been in towel for nearly 30 minutes now, and they are pretty much quite a bit dried. So by feeling the wetness, I can still feel like my crown is still a little wet, but the as my long hair, like the bottom part of my hair is pretty much dry. So as you can see, this is my natural hair. I have a lot of volume in my hair, and also my hair is quite a bit frizzy, and depending on the moisture in the air they tend to get even more frizzier. So what I did is, after I did my shampoo, I just used my leave-in conditioner, and the one I used is from Marc. I'll put the picture somewhere here so you can see. And apart from that, I also like to use Bumble anti-humidity gel oil. That is one of my must-haves. Again, I'll put the picture right here. I like to do those steps while I'm in the shower, like straight after washing my hair. The only reason I like to do that while I'm in the shower, because of the moisture and the heat, the product really goes into your hair, which I prefer, or which I like to do it. So now I'm just going to basically part my hair into two sections. You don't even have to do it in two sections if you don't want to. It all depends on the kind of look you are going for. If I just want the curls to be all over, like a tight curls and similar, like exactly same all over my head, then I usually go by doing a very tight French braid or a Dutch braid, and I'll just put a rubber band and that's it. But the kind of look I'm going today is more like a curly, beachy, wavy kind of thing. So it looks curl without making a lot of effort kind of curls. So that's what I'm gonna do today. If I'm rushing, then I definitely like to go ahead and do it in French braid, because that is so easy. I usually do that when I am I'm very lazy to do any hairstyles following morning, and I just want to get it done. So what I usually do is wash my hair at night time, and then I watch something on the laptop for a bit, do some work and everything, or edit a video and all that. By that time my hair a little half dried, and then I quickly put it into a French braid and go to sleep. So that works out really well. But because the kind of look I'm going for this time, I'm gonna try to do it this way, and hope this will work. My hair is still really damp. If at this point, if I want, I can use a little hair dryer, but I probably won't because they are damp, but they're not that damp. And my hair are pretty thick as well. So let me just grab a clamp. Oops, I thought I already had it. So I'm just gonna put half of the hair in a clamp, and then just going to do a very okay. The tighter you will do your braid, the tighter the curls will be. So it all depends on your liking. What are you trying to do? I'm gonna do my braid not too tight, but not, oh, what's going on here? But not too loose either. So let me just put my mirror right in front of me so I can see what I'm doing. I'm already missing some hair. Okay, so let's just begin. Quickly brush my hair. Sometimes I don't even brush my hair. I literally just come out of the shower and apply the products, and I actually crunch my hair instead of doing combing. By doing that, it literally helps your hair to go a little curly before you even put it into a braid. So your hair gets a little bit of a crunch and kind of like a wavy feel by doing that. So but today, the kind of look I'm looking for tomorrow morning, I'm hoping that's how it's going to look. But let's see. Usually I am 9 times out of 10 I just put it into a French braid because that is super duper quick. And I'm just going to put some elastic bands. I have random colors in front of me. Actually using Siva's because I don't use much on my hair. And Siva has kind of like her own box. So I'm gonna do the same thing with this bit. You know what? My hair is so like thick. I think I'm gonna put it into a three braids instead of, because otherwise this braid will be very thick. So I think I'm gonna put it into 3 braids. So you can see. And do again. Here. That Bumble anti-humidity oil is super duper good if you have a frizzy hair. It's so good. As soon as you take your shower, you just apply it on your damp hair, and it literally is a game changer. Makes your hair look super duper smooth. Okay, what is going on here? Okay, wait. Okay. Go guys, I am all done. I have 6 braids. I could have put it into the 4 as well, but then it would have been two very thick braids, and I didn't want it that. I wanted a more of like a, I still wanted the curls to be like more curls and more defined curls, so that's why I put it into 4 braids. And I have like 6 braids. I do have very thick hair, and what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna take you can either leave it like this, if you can sleep like this. I'm gonna try. If not, then most likely I will just put it into like a rubber band right here, so they're all into like one piece instead of everything going hanging here and there. So now I'm just gonna go to sleep and I'll record the morning thing. Okay guys, hey, so it's the following morning. I just did some like natural makeup kind of thing. So all I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna open all the braids for you. The only thing I noticed, because that's why I like doing the French braid, because the only thing I notice is my crown is so full of frizz right now. Because when you sleep, you kind of like, see, so beautiful. So because you keep, I like to move, I move so much in bed, it's unbelievable. So my hair usually don't have that much frizz of hair, but it is, but we're gonna try to calm it down. So as you can see, they're looking super duper good so far. And what I like to do is I just like to run my fingers so they look a little more loose, so that won't look like it's actually was braided. It will more look like effortless curls. I'm gonna run my fingers through the back as well. And I'm also going to apply my Iron Core Foil Frizz and Static Control Spray, and I'm hoping this will calm down the frizz I have just on my crown. I'm also going to run this throughout the whole hair because I really don't want my hair to look frizzy. I'm going to apply a little bit of my favorite hair oil, and this is from Garnier. It's the Garnier Whole Blend Smoothing Oil. The one I really like is the coconut oil and cocoa butter mix. You're doing like some hairstyles or something, but I like to apply this one on her. So there we go. Kind of got everything super duper good, and voila. So this is my quick hair tutorial for heatless curls. This video, and you want to see more hair tutorials, don't forget to give me a thumbs up on this video, or just leave in your comment in the comment section below, and I'm happy to do more hair tutorials for you guys. We can learn together actually if you want. So here we go. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I shall see you guys next time. Love you all. Take care.